Hello guys, how are you? And this is from Burmese USA YouTube channel. I would like to demonstrate to you how to pay the bill. Of course, I cannot demonstrate to you how to earn money, but at least to pay the bill. Don't hate me. Okay, because the thing is that there's the little difficulty things that I have been facing lately because I have a Bank of America checking account, saving account, and credit card account, and I use the Bank of America credit card account very much, pretty much for everything. Then the thing is that the Bank of America checking account is like for family. I don't usually want to touch it for my expenses. So I have another bank account that I just put it aside for all my things. So whatever I spend, I take it out from there and pay the bills from there. So that's not from Bank of America, that's from other bank. So there's a little difficulty to me at least, pay the bill to Bank of America credit card from the other bank. It is like some sort of like connection that they want to verify. At the same time, I hate calling people and telling them my numbers and whatever to pay the bill. Don't want to do that, even though they don't charge. And some people charge. Like some companies, some bank charge for the paying bill over the phone, and I don't think Bank of America charge, but I still don't want to tell all my personal things to anybody at all. And that's that. And another thing is that I just don't want to like keep on dialing things that direct me to. I want routine, because that's every month thing. So I would like to have a routine, like how I pay the bills every time. It should be the same every time. It should not be very, very difficult, because you're getting money, bank. I'm not loaning stuff from you. I'm not getting money from you. I'm paying bills, paying you back. So it should be pretty easy to me, but it is not to me. So, but lately I found out what to do. And then, okay, there's another thing is that I don't have a check. Let me switch it to different channel. Okay, so like I said, Bank of America credit card that I would like to pay to, but I would like to pay from different bank. And that different bank, I pretty much just save money for my expenses, for my school expense and stuff like that. So I don't have a check. I don't order a check for that. That's not. The only thing I do with that bank account is save money and pay the bill it needs to. So I don't need a check to me. So I don't order that. But the thing is that every time I want to pay the bill, I don't want to call. I don't write a check. So what do? I call. So you see, I don't want to call to a person, but at least I call to the robot. Okay, let's see. Let me show you this. Now I would like to pay the bill, right? So I don't know where I get this number from, but if you are the Bank of America customer and would like to pay the bill over the phone, please take this and note down. I kind of save it by Bank of America pay by phone, and this number, I must have get it from someone or somewhere, like website or something. But every time I got this kind of 1-800 toll-free number, it usually bounces me back and forth, and I don't want that. I don't want to deal with that every month. So finally I got this number, and I put the number right here somewhere. And also this channel, we have like a lot of educational, informational videos that you can find, and I might, or sometimes I don't speak English, but I'm trying to put the English subtitle on this. So I'm trying. At the same time, very busy with my school and struggling with my life, as same as anybody else. So please forgive me if you find other videos that I don't speak English, and my English is as a second language, so I still need to put out the subtitle for everybody from all over the world to understand my English. Not even American English, my English. Okay, so anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna call this number. And then this is ridiculous. I was struggling how to pay the bill, right? And then let me remember right. No, not that account, but there's another account, that my mom account, and I'm paying her bill from that account, from my that this unknown saving account, but from other bank, not Bank of America, and I'm trying to pay the bill for her to her Bank of America credit card, and then when I call and she's not with me, she don't even speak a single English, okay, like A to Z, maybe she says Z. So anyway, I called them to pay the bill at my own time, but they want to speak to my mom. I was like, I'm paying the bill. I'm not taking out money from her, but I don't know. But they have like some security things going on, so I call them another day when she's present with me. I don't know. So anyway, it's very difficult for me to even pay the bill on my own or my mom from other bank account. So let's call this number. Oh gosh, hold on. That number is gone. Let me do it one more time, okay? 1-800-732-9194. And make sure the other bank account that you would like to pay from, the routing number and the account number is ready for the first time, but I have already paid with that, so I don't need it. I just need to verify. Let me show you how that goes.
Bank of America. This call may be recorded. Para servicio en español, marque 9. To get started, say or enter the last 4 digits of your social security number.
Okay, it's only last 4 digits.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your last payment of $100. It was received and credited on January 20th. Here's some account information. As of today, January 22nd, your current balance is $5,004.74. Currently, your available credit is $9,995.26. Of this total, the amount available for bank cash advances is $3,900. As of your last statement, you have $0.00 available in cash rewards. In a few words, please tell me what you're calling about.
Make a payment.
Okay, make a payment. Just so you know, there's nothing due at this time. Do you still want to make a payment anyway?
Yes.
All right. As of today, your current balance is $5,004.74. Tell me the amount you'd like to pay.
$5,004.74.
Sure. The last time you called in to make a payment, you used an account ending in 3724. Would you like to use that again?
Let me check, please.
I didn't understand. Yes or no? Do you want to pay using the same account as last time?
Hold on.
Please try one more time. If you'd like to pay from the same account as last time, the account ending in 3724, say yes or press 1. To use a different account, say no or press 2. To return... So let's confirm everything. You, the cardholder on January 22nd, authorized Bank of America to debit a one-time payment in the amount of $5,004.74 from your checking account, number ending in 3724, and the routing number for your bank is 2020, and credit your account, number ending in 3095. This payment cannot be modified or canceled. For payment inquiries, you may call us at 800-421-2110 that will post effective today, January 22nd, 2020. The funds will be withdrawn as a one-time electronic payment from your personal checking account, number ending in 3724, and the routing number for your bank. No changes. Say, pay it.
Pay it.
You're all set. Your payment will be processed today. However, it may take up to 2 business days before this will be reflected in the updated balance of your account. Your tracking number is 1I.
So that's about it. So I paid some bill and I would like to pay it off. So I tried yesterday and I paid $100, and today I just paid it off everything. So the confirmation just come in.
Call the number on your statement or 800-42.
So anyway, the last thing she said she will say is to hang up if I have nothing else to do with them anymore. So I hang up, and this is the routine that I want. It's kind of a little lengthy because I am explaining it to you, but if you are struggling how to pay the bill, even you want to make a payment, even you want to make a payment, why it is so difficult? I don't need to understand that, because they will say that stubby argument that this security, that security, that's okay. I don't need to know. I just want to pay the bill, get off from my head. So that's the way you can do it, to make a payment to Bank of America credit card from any debit card from the other bank. That's how you can do it. All you need is a routing number, just to make sure they can route to your right bank, and the account number, your account. Is that your account, your mom account, your daddy account, or whatever, but to make sure that's from your account, from the bank that you would like to take it from, and put it inside and pay it to the Bank of America credit card. I hope this is helpful, and if this is not helpful for anybody, I probably die. So at least I learned something, like a routine way to pay the bills without thinking that, oh my god, my bill's gonna be like overdue, I'm gonna be in the bad credit, nothing like that. So it's good now. Thank you guys so much for watching until to the end, and excuse me for my languages, excuse me for my accents and pronunciations. That's what I mean. So please do subscribe my channel if you do like some contents that you have here. And I have a grocery store, so I put up some grocery store stuff, some Asian foods. If you love to see visually what Asian foods are, I have some reviews, and as soon as I'm free, I'm gonna put it up there. So thank you very much guys for being with me. Bye bye.